Proof. Okay, hooked up to the house like that. And these little things here are to keep the squirrels off. They climb on those, they're going to fall off. There's the bird feeder. And hooked up to the tree. There's the other squirrel proofer. And hooked up to the tree here. There you go.